Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this video, as I said, about yen index and yen pairs. This week, what happened, right? So let's get started. So idea was that the yen was getting weaker all along, and yen index chart, I made this on March 23rd. It's a monthly chart, and you can see here, we were here. So I made a lot of small charts, weekly, daily, forward, all of that, but this chart is enough for you to understand what the heck happened. Has happened already or what will happen. So this was the target. These a couple of areas, this 161% and FE 127. The first target was 73.30, and then the other one is 74.49. So 73.30 was the first target, and we were starting at 70.59, right? So this chart, look what happened to this chart as of today is we are here at 72.76, right? Very close now to 73.30 area. And this candle, we ended up this candle this week, very, very powerful candle and no wick whatsoever on the top. So that means that as soon as the week is going to start, it's going to fly again, right? So first target will definitely, I think that we're going to hit, but maybe all the way to the second target. So, when yen index goes up, all yen pair goes up. That's the idea is that, let me show you a chart where usually I, write on the chart. See here, this is the chart I made, same, it's not same, but, 16 March. And it says here that, when yen index goes up, all yen pair also go up. When yen index goes down, all yen pair will go down. Similarly, I have written on this chart here on a daily chart, which I kind of lost. Well, I don't know where it is now. But, this is how what it is. So all yen pair follow the yen index. All yen pair follow yen index, either up or down, right? So that means that if that chart goes up, this yen index, then all yen pairs should be going up. So what happened to yen index chart? This, right? So that means all yen pairs should be going to the upside this week. All along, actually, for the last couple of weeks, right? And probably next week will go up. So let's go take a look at these pairs step by step, one by one, that how far they went, right? How far each alphabetically. It's starting from Aussie yen. Aussie yen, 400 pip from Monday to Friday today. CAD yen from here to here, from Monday to Friday, 330 pip. It went up with yen index. Yen was getting weak, so all yen pair went flying. And this one, franc yen, 380 pip. Euro yen, 480 pip, went up. New Zealand yen, 290. And USD yen, 370 pip, went up. And the big baby is pound yen, boom, from here to here, 740 pip, it went up. In just 1 week, this week, from 22nd to 26th. Why? Because the yen index was flying. It was going up, right? So, okay, so if they were flying, what did I do? That's the question, right? So I do all these analysis and this and that, and keep an eye on every single thing to get some good trades, right? So with the help of my EA, let me show you that how many trades I got and how, starting from April 22nd. All long, because all yen pair went long. There is no way that I can go short, right? To go short, I have to have these EMAs aligned to the downside. But the game started on the 23rd, just like this. This was on 19th, so I'm not even counting this trade, right? Look at this one, went up 70 pip. Buy order is right there on the 23rd. Continue watching. On the 23rd, pound yen as well, it was bearish here, but then again became bullish. Gave me the entry here, and here it was going down, and I wasn't even looking for short because I removed my EA, when it was down there, But when I see that it's going to the upside again, then I put my expert advisor robot actually. So most of the trades, almost all the trades are taken by the robot. So this is the second one, 115 pound yen. Watch. Aussie yen, 135 on the 23rd. Long. So it was bearish here. This was here, and then it wobbled, and then it took me out. So I don't know what the heck happened here. My SL is somewhere here. Maybe this or this will took the SL out, and then here. I got another one, another entry, and then straight up 135 pip here, right? Now this one here, it's CAD yen from 7-minute. Most of them are from 7-minute chart. And see this little arrow here? So took this one as well for 55 pip. On the 23rd, a lot of trades on 23rd, man. So this one was again wobble here, and then came down. It opened the trade here and then gone up 50 pip. That's the New Zealand. Aussie yen again. So there was the first one, retraced. The second one here, 100 pip to the upside. On the 23rd, euro yen again. This is the third one. You see that? The first one on the 19th. I didn't even show you that. But this one, I closed on 70. This one again, 55 pip. Second entry. I posted on the Telegram as well. By the way, I posted, on the Telegram. You see this here? I said yen index is sitting on this. Might pop to the upside to go to 71.41. That will take all yen pairs to the upside a little more. Then again, I said the yen index is sitting or whatever, and yen index is on the move. This is I post on the 22nd, right? Then I warn everyone, my whole group, that look for longs in yen pairs, right? And then not only that, but then again, I start taking the entries, and this is Euro Aussie, by the way. So yen, see, yes, yen, the first one I posted here. Then again, it's EJ about to make a long again, the second entry, and the second entry also I posted here. I took it. Again, see, this was I was saying, and then it's the pound yen for this. I just showed you these trades, right? So I'm, updating on my Telegram as I was going along. Here again, so now on 23rd, this is the euro yen for 55 pip. On the 24th now, right? So 23rd is like 6, 7, 8 trades, something like that, right? All yen pairs, by the way. Now on the 24th, again, euro yen. I'm just showing you only yen pair trades here. I have many other trades, but I'm not showing in this folder. I have only yen pairs trades, right? Because we were talking about yen index and yen on the move, right? So only yen pairs that I took here. So this one euro yen on the 24th, third and fourth entry. By the way, this is on the 19th, and this is on 22nd. This is on 23rd, and this is on 24th. All right, so this one I carried it away, and to the next day, this was a 7-minute. This is the one I closed at 24, and then the one I just showed you. I don't know where the heck it went. I got confused here. Maybe it will come later. Yeah, probably this is the one. Okay, forget it. So now then UJ, yeah, entry, good entry here and all the way for 70 pip, right? And then this is the one. See, it continued on the next day, so it ended up with 125 pip. The last euro yen. It's not the last one, but yeah. Actually, this one. Let me just show you a couple of trades. This one. So this entry going, and I let it go, and it ended up 125 pip. Okay, and then pound yen. Look at that, 160 pip. This baby went flying. On the 26th, by the way. 25th was like I was completely tired and went to sleep, and just like pause everything, and and I don't know what happened, what not, but on 26th the game started again. On the 26th, euro yen again, beautiful entry here for 130 pip. Right? On the 26th, Aussie yen again. This is EA taken 85 pip. And then USD yen for 110 pip. All of these because of yen index. The pound yen again for 170 pip. This is different entry, by the way. First 160 pip, then it dropped, right? And then people are talking about that maybe the officials came in, like some kind of intervention. I don't think so. I don't think so. It was just some big baby, big boy, big hedge fund, a big, huge, some kind of, maybe Fed or maybe somebody, it's like Federal Bank or something, closing a big, huge position. And that's why it got pulled back a little bit. First, it dropped, and then again start to go to the upside. So pound yen, this is on the 26th, and the euro yen again, this one on for 110. These are the trades, almost 14, 15 trades, all yen, all going to the long side, just because of this one chart that I made that it's gonna go from here to here, and it did, and it is going powerfully, and it's still a little bit shy, but very close to the first target. It went close to this 73.30. So even in a little bit of this pair will give me maybe 100 to each, easy, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And then if it decided to go all the way to 127, then get ready for another 1,000 pip in yen trades, right? So this is how very, very important to watch the indexes, the individual index. The beauty about this is that if you're watching one pair, let's say you're watching pound yen, then you're only watching pound yen, and you don't know why the pound yen is going to the upside. Is it because of pound, or is it because of yen, right? But if you're watching yen index, and if you can understand and catch the direction of yen index, then you have 7 pairs. And I just showed you that, it all went up with it. Oh, so basically you have multiple choice in your hand now. If you know the yen index is going to go up, you know definitely that all yen pair are going to go up, and pick and choose, find the best setup and take, 2 or 3 trades and make your pips, right? Similarly, pound index, if pound index is moving, all pound pair will be moving. Then you have a multiple choice in your hand, right? Only one pound pair goes the opposite direction, which is euro pound. Right, everywhere else, pound is on the right hand side. Pound Aussie, pound yen, pound USD, pound this, pound that. Right. So when pound index get strong, all pound pair goes with it. Euro pound will go down only. Right. Similarly, USD index, if it is going up or down, the 3 pair goes one way, 4 pair goes the other way, because the 3 pairs are the USD on the right hand side. So this is how it is. So it was a very, very wonderful week. One of the best week this week. I have many, other pairs, trades. Right? Euro Aussie gave me like 3 trades totaling of more than like 200 pip. And the 4th one is still running right now. Maybe it's like 50, 60 pip positive to the downside, short side. Euro Aussie, I'm talking about. Euro Aussie. And yeah, so there I still have a couple of trades open. I didn't get enough time to close them on time, so I said, what the hell with it, I'm sitting on a break even anyway. All right, so I'm going to show those next week, but this is how it is, right? So watching the yen and any index, not only yen, I'm watching the USD index as well. I just made a video about Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie based on USD index, right? So those those pairs involve USD. So if USD index is moving, which it didn't last week, it was like around 1753 area, and it's like wobbling there. So it's thinking about, either it's going to drop from there or break it and then go to the upside. So either way, I'm ready to take those trades as well. But yen really made my week, and then hopefully next week is also gonna be like that. But be very careful, because somewhere here is gonna drop big time. I'm 100% sure that they will get in. Who? Bank of Japan. They have to get in now. If not, then people are gonna just trash this this currency. If they have to come in, they have to come in now. They have to do the intervention now. All right. So talking is over. It's time to act. If not, then God knows, but who the hell I am to say something. But the thing is that, yes, it's obvious. It's obvious that they need to come in. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful weekend. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So if I make any other video, you'll get it on time. All right. So hopefully I'll make it on gold, because I just left gold alone this week around gold and some other things that I was just not even watching. My son probably took 1 or 2 gold entry, but when something is moving just like this that I showed you, especially yen index is very, very powerful compared to the other indexes, right? The yen index is moving, all yen pair go bazooka. So you got to be very careful. So watch yen index, you catch the direction, and that's it. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later.